Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in video we will share the details for the Fallout 76 error code 301125899906842624. As per our research, this error comes when players try to log in with their Bethesda account. In the case of new users, they receive this error while creating an account on Bethesda.net. During our research, we were unable to find any specific reasons for this error. Our research suggests that sometimes this error comes because of some network issues, and in some cases, any temporary issues with the Bethesda service cause this error. The first fix you might want to try is rebooting your router and your gaming device. Simply shut both down, disconnect from the power source, wait for a good 5 minutes, and then power them back up. After this, check if the error is still haunting your screen. Still there? Perhaps the game needs an update. Check for any pending updates for Fallout 76, install them if they exist, and then see if the error has been banished. If the error persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi connection or hotspot. Some users have found that switching their network connection can do the trick, so it's worth a shot. Now, if you're a new player experiencing this error while creating a Bethesda account, there might be a different issue. If you've previously used your email address for any other Bethesda activities like participating in mods or creation clubs in Fallout 4 or The Elder Scrolls V, Skyrim, playing Quake Champions through Steam, or playing The Elder Scrolls, Legends or Blades. On any platform, you might need to create an account on Bethesda.net with the email you're currently trying to use. Check if you can log into your account, and if necessary, complete your account sign-up. Another remedy to consider is unlinking and relinking your account. To do this, close the game completely and restart your device. Log into your account on the Bethesda.net account linking page and ensure you're linked to the correct account. Relaunch the game and see if the error is still present. If it is, go back to the account linking page, unlink and then relink your account. This could potentially resolve the issue. Finally, if none of these solutions work, it's time to reach out to Bethesda customer support. They're there to help, and you can contact them to report the issue. Briefly recapping, to fix the Fallout 76 error code 301125899906842624. You can try rebooting your router and device, updating the game, changing your Wi-Fi connection, verifying your Bethesda account if you're a new player, unlinking and relinking your account, or reaching out to Bethesda customer support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.